Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best wheel electric scooter that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Drive Medical Scout Compact 4-Wheel Electric Scooter. If you're looking for an electric scooter that will give you value for your money, then this is the right pick. The Scout is an easy-to-dismantle scooter that you can take anywhere you go. It delivers enhanced stability and rides well on different terrains. You can use it both indoors and outdoors. Even after multiple rides, this scooter remains new due to the color-through panels that hide scrapes and scuffs. It can ride at a speed of 4.25 miles per hour and the ergonomic throttle controls make it easy to maneuver around. The highest load it can carry is 300 pounds. And the comfort features it carries include the adjustable and fully padded armrest and swivel seat. Included is a large carry basket that lets you keep your accessories. Its battery lasts longer than most scooters and is good in case you want your kid to enjoy too much time outdoors. At number 4. Drive Medical Scout 4DST 4-Wheel Electric Scooter. For the most comfortable riding experience, this electric scooter is equipped with a padded seat and a fold-down armrest. Also, it utilized dynamic suspension technology that helps to reduce bumps for a more relaxed ride regardless of the terrain. Besides, it also has a good turning radius that renders it flexible and easy to maneuver around. In the case of night rides, this scooter has bright LED headlights that provide great illumination. Each battery charges provides 15 miles ride and its weight support is 325 pounds. It is a recommended scooter if you are looking for something on a budget. At number 3. Drive Medical Bobcat X4 Compact 4-Wheel Electric Scooters. The Drive Bobcat X4 compact scooter is made for those who want to improve their riding skills as well as enjoy ultimate fun. This scooter has easy-to-use steering that lets you maneuver around obstacles, corners and other tight places with ease. The scooter has an electromagnetic brake system that guarantees reliable controls. In terms of design, it has a lightweight body and you can take it anywhere you want. The top speed it can reach is 4 miles per hour, which is just the average speed for indoor and outdoor use. It is very strong and stable and can support about 265 pounds. Don't worry about slips and skids as this scooter rides on grippy wheels and anti-skid wheels. At number 2. Drive Medical Spitfire 4EXT Best 4-Wheel Electric Scooters. This transportable scooter combines both convenience and mobility to give you value for your money. Apart from being compact in design, it is also lightweight and is recommended for those who like traveling around. This scooter guarantees you unending fun with the extended 15-mile range battery. You'll also not experience those stressful flat tire cases, slips or skids. Controls are quite intuitive and don't require you to have prior skills to ride. This scooter also has a good load capacity of 300 pounds. This seat is super comfy and the headlight illuminates your way in the dark. It also has an air horn which is good when riding on busy streets. And finally at number 1. Drive Medical Spitfire Travel Power Scooter. This is one of the best-selling and highest-rated electric scooters on the market. The Drive Medical Spitfire Travel Scooter has an adjustable seat, armrest and a basket for storing personal stuff. Among the cool features of this scooter include the ergonomic throttle for easy control and a detachable battery pack that lets you charge the battery separately. This scooter has anti-slip tires or anti-skid wheels that provide all-time safe rides. It also boasts of an impressive turning radius of 53.75 inches which makes it highly maneuverable. When fully charged, you can travel for a distance of 9 miles. The top speed you can reach is 4.25 miles per hour, which is the ideal speed for indoor and outdoor rides. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.